I'm Andy Biden. I've been the sort of techie guy at Visuals pretty well since year dot. Been in the broadcast industry, technical side, service side for approximately 27 years. Here in Visuals we have in our service department Gary, Martin, and then there's a couple of guys who do the admin. We tend to see a lot of Satchler and Vitek products, Sony, Canon. One of the joys of working in the broadcast industry is it's constantly evolving. There's always new product, there's always new ideas of how to do things. In the last 10 years you've seen the move away from tape onto solid state. You're seeing things getting lighter, and anything that's lighter is more likely to be slightly more fragile. The days of the Betacams, you could use them as hammers. They've all gone. Here at Visuals we don't only do tripods, we do the electronics and the optics, which include Sony, Panasonic. We'll have things like the cameras, the decks, lights. We see a lot of hire equipment which is worked quite hard. When necessary, these issues are investigated, and any feedback we can give is sent to the manufacturers. We do a lot of manufacturer training, product specific. Of course, once you've got that base training, the skill that really comes in once you get your hands on the product and you learn the idiosyncrasies of each individual item. The carbon is a brilliant material, and most of our legs are carbon fibre. It's absolutely amazing strength, but it's also quite a soft material. Its durability is quite weak. So taking a carbon fibre set of legs out and dumping them on the beach down at Brighton in salt environment, for example, is pretty well the worst thing you can do with them, because the salt in the water crystallises anything that's crystallised sharp, and it will just wear through them. One of the things that people like about the Satchlers, the Satchler feel, that everybody always talks about, is the fact that it's very fast to set up and it will work anywhere on the planet. You don't have to service it for winter or hot conditions. The Vintons, they've got the most amazing balance system in them. So if you're doing finite work, a Vinton's a lovely head. If you're doing jobbing work where you don't know where you're going to be, are you going to a war zone, take a Satchler. It's the age-old adage, buy cheap, buy twice. If you buy an expensive quality tripod, it will last. You can service it, all the parts are available, people understand how to deal with them, and you'll keep it working a lifetime. It will last you your working career.